Kasim Razak Ebusuya Akachense Onchusu Kumasi Asante Kotoko over Accra Folk from Great Olympics. Na there is impediment via Abba na enona agent no a communicate here man say by Saturday obehune left and right details no ewa ha me bro ewofia Kasim a player. He's been hugely linked to join Kumasi Asante Kotoko as a defensive midfielder. Unim say already Kotoko epe Samuel Tenedu from Legon City Sadil no enye and a player and so a Kotoko target Kotoko peno but Accra Folk later and a joining ya a man race no ebeye den but as we speak say no the details of negotiation no Kotoko call Samuel Tenedu ho no as a oma relax kakra on this particular player but player no ebusuafo no pese so boy no bebo ball e wo Ghana also obo Kotoko sana na ebusua no aka akire no but deal be if Libya abeto boy no anim which is the agent no ena asema me be kan me sure say senior citizens be bre enemy nya adwen and I say any the boy no agent ne no any boy no the way person go about it no omo ne enya adwen because waka kire Kotoko say Libyan offer na aba no agent ne hwe sa eya obeko sa enyenso a obeba no wabebo Kotoko no ti se de na ebusua no eka no so no date na Saturday and I think say final communication and final decision ne beba nti wama Kotoko up to Saturday say or her sa Libyan deal no sa deal no go through there untimi emmobo ewo ha obeko abruchi no akobo which is Libya say abruchi because they are out of Ghana na sa and go through na enyenso a he will opt for Kumasi Asante Kotoko but meanwhile Kotoko nso ani abre Samuel Tenedu ho no sa Tenedu guy no I believe say no from me perspective who is obe fit more and now Kotoko ne has game no me hwe ade bi ma adwen ba ade bi so pa ade na e wo Kotoko na efe no ukum apem meba na me hu ye Kotoko wo ye hwan obebo wo ye huge okwa obi beba eno me hwe ball ni nyina na run it through my mind Evis Cheba for a wuche den mu wo de nioma nanu ya no bai ebimoko Kotoko no sa na tie oba obo okwa obi beba o hye ya ye betika no abehyew. That's the culture of Asante Kotoko. Me petam no mabebo IMC chairman abaso kontompo ni afere hini me petam